You can monetize YouTube videos without AdSense, and here is the proof. I don't have AdSense enabled for this channel. I think I probably make a lot more with this approach than if I used AdSense. In this video, I will show you the exact steps on how to make money off YouTube videos without AdSense. Hi, I'm Shamel from promoteYouTubeVideos.com. This is the blueprint I use to earn money from YouTube without being a partner. Keep watching. I will walk you through step by step with examples from my own channel. Affiliate marketing is a great way to monetize YouTube videos without AdSense. Most people think affiliate marketing doesn't work. That's not the case. The way most people are doing it is wrong. Let me first tell you why I prefer affiliate marketing as a good way to monetize YouTube videos without AdSense. Then I will go through the blueprint steps. It's easier to get into an affiliate network than it's to get approved as a YouTube partner to get AdSense. To enable AdSense on YouTube, you need to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time during a certain period. The other reason is that affiliate marketing pays much more than AdSense. Most of the affiliate companies offer PayPal as a payment method, whereas AdSense does not. Affiliate ads are much more attractive, whereas we don't have control over AdSense ads on our YouTube videos. So give these next steps a try and see. You have nothing to lose. When jumping into YouTube affiliate marketing, you need to consider who your audience is and what would make the most sense for you to rave about them. Always remember to make affiliate conversions natural. You don't want them to feel forced. I recommend starting with affiliate network. What works for me best is ClickBank. The fact that I followed a training on ClickBank probably helps too. I will leave the link below in the description if you want to check out the training. There are a few other affiliate networks that I use. I will make a future video on a couple of other profitable networks. Hit that subscribe button if you don't want to miss out on that video. I upload videos every Saturday. Choosing the right product is the first step of being a successful affiliate marketer. And if you do it right, you can drastically improve your chances of earning a good affiliate income. You want to offer products that are right fit for your audience. This is crucial and often a step that gets missed. You want to pick great products that you can honestly recommend to others. Pick a mix of offers and keep commissions in mind without making it a driving factor in the decision you pick for that affiliate product. What do I mean? You don't want to pick a $100 commission product that's a horrible fit for your audience. You make sales and it doesn't work, you could possibly lose the loyalty and the trust of your audience. You can just lose subscribers. Make sense? With that said though, it's good to mix low paying and high paying offers. For example, 3 sales for $20 commissions each versus 3 sales for $2 commissions each. I already created a previous video on finding profitable products to sell with ClickBank. The link is in the description below. When you have a product you want to promote, you're going to make a video about it. Most people's YouTube videos don't convert and thus they don't make any money from that video. What you say in the video and the type of video you create goes a long way to get you affiliate commission. Most common affiliate videos people create are review videos or unboxing type videos. But in my experience, I've found that videos which show people how to solve a certain problem have a high conversion rate. For example, this video I created on how to automate YouTube tags, title and description. I show that I use the product to save time and rank videos fast. I give them proof and credibility. If they want to do the same, they will try out the product using the affiliate link. Once you upload the video, promote your YouTube video and get people to watch it. You can use social media, email, forums and Quora to promote your video. The more target people that watch your video, the higher chances of someone clicking your affiliate link and buying the product. So make sure you promote your video to the place where you have your target audience. Do you see now that it's a good AdSense alternative for YouTube? You can control the products you promote and the amount you will earn. For me, it's been a really good way to earn money from YouTube without being a partner.